what you're doing, all right? Stop. Stop all the negative self-talk. Stop all calling yourself lazy. And stop accepting people to call you lazy, all right? None of those things has ever worked. I am Justin Redrick, and I'm going to show you real quick that it is possible to get over procrastination and get movement on what you want, all right? So did you know that 100% of people who speak down themselves, thinking they're motivating themselves, actually don't get anywhere? They don't get nowhere at all, period. And so here's the problem you face. The problem you face is you know what you need to do, you just don't do it. You tell yourself, I'm not disciplined enough. I don't know enough. I don't have everything put together. I'm too lazy. I don't want to look crazy in front of other people, which means you have a gift. Now that you do have a gift, the problem with that is you're not going to be able to share this gift with the world. Nobody's going to ever know you exist. They're not going to know your gift is real. And what will end up happening when you die, your gift will go with you. Luckily for you, I have a solution for you. So let me tell you about this Stop Procrastinating, Start Moving workshop. This workshop will equip you with exercises and techniques that freebies just don't offer you. You won't be able to find these things on Google. You won't be able to find them on YouTube. You won't be able to find them on Pinterest, anywhere. So one of the first things you'll learn how to master yourself and become your own superhero. Number two, you'll learn how to actually get a handle on your life and stop relying on figuring it out methods. Again, like I said, searching all over Google, searching on YouTube, searching on Pinterest. Number three, you'll be able to teach these things to your children to end generational chains of self-procrastination. Lastly, you'll have tools. Again, like I said, the word tools is coming up again. Tools that will actually bring you a solution so you can stop relying on coping and actually get what you want out of life. Now, as a master transformational coach, I work with people to help update their outdated beliefs, habits, and behaviors about themselves so they can get out of their stuck perfectionism, which I don't even know why we think that's a real good thing, and also stop falling apart at the seams. But you don't have to take my word for it. There are plenty of testimonies and write-ups on this workshop in the next few slides below or across wherever you go. So to sum this all up, this is what you'll get. In this hour and 30-minute Zoom workshop, you will get, number one, how to locate your own blind spots about yourself, false perceptions we operate off on. You will receive a handout that's called Getting to the Root of Your Procrastination, and you'll also receive my 5 personal top ways to smash procrastination, all for a great price, of $20. And as an added bonus, I will also be sending out to anyone who signs up my 5 steps to overcome procrastination and stay on your A game booklet. Now, if you take this up and you don't like how it goes, or you feel like, hey man, I didn't really get what I came for, I didn't start moving, I'll grant you something else, a free 30-minute consultation that does a little bit of a deeper dive for you specifically so you can start movement on your goals. Now, all I need for you to do is head to the link in my bio or in the description, wherever you're watching this video. Head to that link, scroll down till you see the flyer that says Stop Procrastinating, Start Moving. Sign up and grab your ticket and get prepared for tomorrow evening at 6:30. I hope to see y'all out there. Have a great one. And with that being said, peace.